can versus may. What is their difference? Let's go and check it out.
Can I play your guitar? Or, may I play your guitar? What should I say to Cooper if I want to play his guitar?
Let's define can and may first. Can indicates that someone has the ability to do something. Example, Mary can do her tasks quickly.
May refers to the possibility of something happening. For example, it may rain during the baseball game.
Also, we use may for asking permission. Like, may I go to the bathroom?
So which should I use if I want to play Cooper's guitar? Can or may? That's right, you would use may. May I play your guitar?
For sentences that convey a person's ability to do something, can is used. Example, can you play the piano? Can you finish your homework? Can you tie the rope?
That's right. Let's practice. Choose the right answer for the sentence. Miller blank speaks English fluently.
Correct, kids. The answer is can. Now try this one too. The mail blank arrived this morning depending on the weather.
Very good. That's right, the answer is may. That's another quick and easy English lesson for you all. Thanks, kids.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.